Hello and welcome to BioCode. In this video, we will see how can we create atomic vectors within R. And basically, if you have been practicing R for for this past course, then you have already been utilizing and using atomic vectors with your R code. For example, in our previous videos, we actually created a dice vector with that dice variable, but in our language it is known as a vector because it in the elements that are being stored within a single variable are those values are being stored in a single dimension. So when the data is being stored in a single dimension, and it is known as atomic vector within R concept. And atomic vectors are the simplest data type or simplest object within R language. So why we use atomic vectors at all? Because atomic vectors are single dimension. If we have to store a single type of data in a single dimension, then the atomic vectors are the best way to do that because they allow the efficient